Hi! In front of me is Honor 70, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this Honor. First of all, go into settings. Then you need to choose battery section after scrolling down and tap on this gray switcher next to performance mode. As you can see, after that, higher performance is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!